So if you guys have been watching me for a while, you guys know that Westmoreland I'm a place. Westmoreland me come from Westmoreland, me born and raised Westmoreland. All of my family come from Westmoreland. Some of my family them still live. And this right here hits close to home, cause a green jail them just slap away all of 7 people. Okay, Westmoreland where them claim used to be country. Westmoreland where you could have walk at night open, leave your door open. Westmoreland I used to real country lifestyle. So it's very shocking to see my place where me born and grow and raised taking a toll for the worse, and me just sit back, relax, and don't say nothing about it. I can't do that with a good heart and conscience. And this article says a total of 7 persons were killed in a number of attacks on communities in and around the Grain Jail since Tuesday morning, which police have linked to lot of scam related feud. Grain Jail High School was among the schools which closed their doors as a result of the violence, according to the high school principal Errol Stewart McCamb. They say him still a principal Grain Jail High, but the school opened its doors on Wednesday but closed after due to low attendance. Stewart also disclosed that in the face of serious upsurge in violence in the community, there is a heightened sense of concern among schools fraternity in light of the pending CSEC examinations. Meanwhile, the National Security Minister, Dr. Horace Chang, and Commissioner of Police and Major Anthony Anderson have been locked in a meeting about the development with the leadership of Westmoreland Police at Savile and Amara Police Station in the parish. So basically, them in a meeting, Dr. Horace Chang and General Anthony Anderson, which is the police commissioner, and Horace Chang, Mr. Chang, is the security minister for Jamaica, the new appointed security minister for Jamaica. And they're in a meeting with the officials or the leaders in Savannah Lamar. Quite honestly, about like we've been calling for weeks now for them to do something about the whole crime and violence in Westmoreland, and it seemed like it have to get drastic, like you have to take a drastic turn for the worse, and 7 people dead, okay, before them actually put them heads together or actually show a bit of concern. Literally went on my Facebook page and went and see people, some of my people them were dead. Me just scroll and me just see people pan stretcher, people were burn up, all sort of same thing on my Facebook page this morning in relation to the 7 killing what happened at Grain Jail. And a lot of people are concerned. A lot of people are saying that they really don't care about Westmoreland because Westmoreland and Montego Bay, and you know, bringing as much tourism dollars as Montego Bay. So them feel like them just left in the sauce. Basically, them left in the back to fend for themselves. And they can talk about this lot of scamming. It's a lot of scamming related all them want, but it's for them to do their jobs. Okay? You can't just allow schools to shut down when they have examinations coming up because of the amount of violence that's going on. You need to do something about it, not just sit around and talk and lock up in a meeting. Because quite frankly, we've been saying this for weeks. Like, there needs to be a state of emergency in Westmoreland. There's been so much stuff happening in Westmoreland for the past few months. Like we've had 50 murders in Westmoreland alone. Westmoreland have the highest murder rate so far in the whole of Jamaica, and they don't think that it's right to do a state of emergency in Westmoreland. Like, it it baffles me. It really, really baffles me how they do certain things in Jamaica. Like, it baffles the hell out of me. So 7 people dead, and I'm sure a lot more people has been injured, because from what I've been told is actually 20 people in all. 7 dead, and it's 20 people, other people that was injured in this whole gang related shooting. And quite frankly, like, them sitting down now a meeting and talking about it is not going to do anything for Jamaican people. Actually, not a thing in gonna do. And it's disheartening that it had to come all the way here, or to this extent, to this extreme, for them to actually pay attention. Mr. Horace Chang and General or Major Anthony Anderson, or whatever you want to name, it is quite disturbing to know that if you're not residing now in predominantly tourism area, then Jamaica's government not really business about you. And that it's sad, but it's the truth. And up till now, we're in May, January, February, March, April, May. Okay, we're 5 months into the year, and up till now we don't have a solid up till now we don't have a solid crime plan for 2018. We don't have one. No one has said anything about a crime plan for 2018, and we're 5 months in. 5 months in under Andrew Holness administration, and up till now we don't have a crime plan. Do you guys think that this state of emergency here, state of emergency there, state of emergency here, state of emergency there is going to help? All you're doing is depleting your resources, basically, because I'm sure them JDF officers, they are tired and them ready to go them yard, and they must start get lackadaisical and not do their jobs properly and all of that. Like, yes, they're tactically trained, but sometimes human flesh take over as far as a job is concerned. So if you see 7 people get slapped where no them just they talk about it, it's actually, from what I've been told, it's actually way more. I think it's 20 people in all, and 7 dead. And it had to come to here for them to actually speak on it and actually pay attention when people have been crying the ball out for help for weeks now. Okay, so I don't know what to say, y'all. We use our platform, and we use our platform to the best of our abilities to bring awareness and let other people know exactly what's going on and to be informed Jamaican citizens. But sometimes you do this and you feel defeated, and sometimes you do it and you know say what you're saying is reaching to the right ears and the right people. So we do this because we love which part we come from. We want to see our people safe and secured in their neighborhoods, and not worrying if they must see another night or another day because of crime and violence. So that's all we are trying to do when we do these videos, is use our platforms to the best of our abilities. And them say, to whom much is given, much is expected. And that's what I always go by. I'm giving a lot, so I'm expected to do a lot as far as my country is concerned and my people them. So comment in the comment section and tell what you guys think about this. Do you think that it is going to need more people for dead for them actually call a state of emergency in Westmoreland? Do you think that they're actually going to call state of emergency now, since Dr. Trong and Major Anthony Anderson and the rest of the officials for Westmoreland are actually in talks right now? Do you think they're going to actually call it or not? Do you think more people have dead for them call it? Or do you think that it's not because it's Westmoreland? Westmoreland is not a predominantly touristy area, so them really don't have that much or that big of a concern for Westmoreland or Westmoreland people. Comment in the comment section and tell me, guys, what you think about this story. 7 people just get slapped away. Just like that, I'm sure more injured. But comment, tell me what you guys think. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. One part of here, man. Deuces.